What if the secret to better health was hiding in your spice rack? Imagine, right there among the familiar jars and bottles, a tiny ingredient with the power to transform your well-being. Most of us overlook the humble seeds and spices we use every day, but sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest difference. Meet the tiny black seed, Kalonji. Smaller than a grain of rice, yet packed with an astonishing array of health benefits. This unassuming seed is a powerhouse, known to help manage cholesterol, boost metabolism, and support weight loss. But that's just the beginning. Kalonji is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from harmful free radicals, and it's been linked to improved digestion and even immune support. For thousands of years, cultures across the globe have treasured this seed for its remarkable medicinal properties. From ancient Egypt, where it was found in the tomb of King Tutankhamun, to traditional Indian and Middle Eastern kitchens, Kalonji has been a staple in both food and medicine. Healers and cooks alike have relied on its unique flavor and healing abilities, passing down their knowledge through generations. It's proof that the most powerful solutions often come in the smallest packages. These tiny seeds may look insignificant, but inside, they hold a mighty secret. A blend of nutrients and natural compounds that can make a real difference to your health. Today, we'll unlock the science behind this ancient remedy and show you how it can fit into your modern life. Recent research has begun to confirm what traditional wisdom has known for centuries. Kalonji seeds contain thymoquinone, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Nutritionists now recommend adding these seeds to your diet for their potential to help regulate blood sugar, support heart health, and even aid in weight management. Imagine tackling high cholesterol, sluggish metabolism, and blood sugar swings with a simple sprinkle of seeds. Whether you add them to salads, sprinkle them on bread, or mix them into your favorite dishes, Kalonji seeds are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Their slightly bitter, peppery flavor adds a unique twist to meals, making healthy eating both delicious and exciting. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about rediscovering nature's wisdom and making small, sustainable changes for big results. By embracing the power of natural ingredients like Kalonji, you're taking a step toward a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. It's a journey that connects you to centuries of tradition and the latest in nutritional science. Ready to uncover the mighty secret of this tiny seed? Let's dive in and explore how Kalonji can become a simple, powerful ally in your quest for better health. The seed in question is Kalonji, also known as black seed, black cumin, or Nigella sativa. This tiny jet black seed has been treasured for thousands of years, earning a reputation as a miracle seed in many cultures. Its story stretches back to ancient civilizations, where it was considered so valuable that it was even found in the tomb of King Tutankhamun. People across continents have turned to Kalonji for its remarkable healing properties, and today it continues to be a staple in both traditional and modern wellness practices. Kalonji comes from a delicate flowering plant native to Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Western Asia. Its pale blue or white blossoms give way to seed pods filled with these precious black seeds. For centuries, healers and herbalists have used Kalonji as a remedy for a wide range of ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. Its use is deeply woven into the fabric of Ayurvedic, Unani, and traditional Middle Eastern medicine, where it's often called the seed of blessing. What makes Kalonji so powerful? The answer lies in its unique chemical makeup. Kalonji's power comes from thymoquinone, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that has been the focus of extensive scientific research. Thymoquinone helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting your cells from damage. This compound is also known for its ability to soothe inflammation, which is at the root of many chronic diseases. Thanks to thymoquinone and other beneficial compounds, Kalonji acts as a natural shield for your body. It helps protect your cells and calm inflammation, supporting your heart, immune system, and even your brain. Regular use of Kalonji has been linked to improved cholesterol levels, better blood sugar control, and enhanced immune defense. It's no wonder that people of all ages are turning to this ancient remedy to boost their overall well-being. But Kalonji isn't just about health, it's also about flavor. Its unique, peppery taste makes it a beloved ingredient in Middle Eastern and Indian cuisine. You'll find it sprinkled on breads like naan and pita, mixed into pickles, and added to dals and curries for a subtle, aromatic kick. Its versatility in the kitchen means you can enjoy its benefits in countless, delicious ways. Kalonji truly bridges the gap between kitchen and medicine cabinet. Whether you sprinkle it on your breakfast, blend it into smoothies, or take it as a supplement, it's easy to make Kalonji part of your daily routine. Its adaptability means you can tailor its use to fit your lifestyle, making it a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness journey. Ancient wisdom and modern science agree. This tiny seed is a symbol of health and vitality. From the kitchens of our ancestors to today's research labs, Kalonji continues to inspire hope and healing. Its legacy is a testament to the power of nature and the enduring quest for wellness. Now, let's see how this remarkable seed can help your heart and support your journey to better health. Your heart is an incredible organ, working tirelessly every second of your life to keep blood flowing and your body energized. It never takes a break, and its health is vital for your overall well-being. But one of the biggest threats to your heart is high cholesterol. When cholesterol levels rise, especially the harmful kind, it can silently build up in your arteries, narrowing them and making it harder for blood to flow. Over time, this increases your risk of heart attacks and strokes, often without any warning signs. That's where Kalonji, also known as black seed, comes in as a natural ally. Modern research has shown that Kalonji can help lower both total cholesterol and LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol that clogs arteries. In several studies, people who regularly consumed Kalonji saw significant improvements in their cholesterol profiles, making it a promising addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. The secret lies in Kalonji's powerful antioxidants, especially a compound called thymoquinone. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, a process that damages cells and makes LDL cholesterol more likely to stick to artery walls. By fighting off this stress, Kalonji helps keep your arteries flexible and clear, supporting smoother blood flow. Imagine Kalonji as a tiny but mighty cleaning crew, sweeping away harmful cholesterol and preventing it from building up where it shouldn't. This natural defense helps protect your arteries from becoming blocked, which is crucial for long-term heart health. Even more impressive, Kalonji may also help raise HDL, or good cholesterol. HDL acts like a scavenger, carrying excess LDL out of your bloodstream and back to your liver, where it can be processed and removed. By boosting HDL, Kalonji supports your body's natural ability to maintain a healthy cholesterol balance. This two-pronged approach, lowering LDL and raising HDL, creates a powerful shield for your heart. It's a simple, natural way to support a healthier cholesterol profile and reduce your risk of heart disease. The best part? Adding Kalonji to your daily routine is easy and delicious. You can sprinkle the seeds on salads, yogurt, or even blend them into smoothies for a subtle, nutty flavor. Or if you prefer, you can use Kalonji oil. Just a small amount each day can make a difference. Whether you choose seeds or oil, the key is to be consistent. Make Kalonji a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth or taking a walk, and you'll be supporting your heart with every bite. Remember, small changes add up over time. By making Kalonji part of your everyday meals, you're taking a simple step toward lasting heart health. It's these little choices, like swapping out unhealthy snacks for heart-friendly options, that can have a big impact on your cholesterol and your overall well-being. So, why not give your heart a helping hand? Try adding Kalonji to your meals and see how this tiny seed can make a big difference. Now let's see how it can rev up your metabolism. Your metabolism is your body's engine, turning food into energy. When it's sluggish, you feel tired and gain weight. Kalonji can help tune up that engine. Thymoquinone interacts with your body's energy pathways, making them more efficient, like a mechanic fine-tuning your car. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help, since chronic inflammation can disrupt metabolism and hormone balance. By reducing inflammation, Kalonji helps your metabolism run smoothly. No harsh stimulants, just gentle, natural support. Add a teaspoon of seeds to smoothies or spice blends for a metabolic boost. Over time, you'll feel more energized and balanced. Ever feel the highs and crashes of the blood sugar roller coaster? Kalonji can help smooth out the ride. Research shows it may improve your pancreas's ability to produce insulin and make your cells more sensitive to it. That means your body can move sugar from your blood into your cells more efficiently, preventing spikes and crashes. This is especially helpful for those managing prediabetes or blood sugar swings. Kalonji supports both insulin production and sensitivity, addressing the root of sugar management. Add ground seeds to oatmeal or yogurt dips for a simple, tasty boost. Make it a regular habit for steadier energy and fewer cravings. With Kalonji, you're taking control of your blood sugar, naturally. Losing weight is tough, but Kalonji can be a supportive ally. It helps regulate appetite hormones like leptin, making you feel fuller and less likely to overeat. Improved insulin sensitivity means your body uses carbs for energy instead of storing them as fat. Kalonji isn't a magic bullet, but it helps your body work smarter, balancing appetite, metabolism, and blood sugar. Sprinkle seeds on meals or take Kalonji oil as part of your routine. Think of it as a teammate in your wellness journey, not a replacement for healthy habits. With consistent use, you'll notice a more natural, sustainable path to a healthier weight. Let's see how to bring Kalonji into your kitchen. Adding Kalonji to your meals is easy and delicious. Use whole seeds as a finishing spice. Sprinkle on avocado toast, eggs, or soup for crunch and flavor. Toast seeds in a dry pan to release their aroma, then add to lentils, veggies, or rice. Grind seeds for spice blends, marinades, or rubs. Kalonji oil is another option. Take a teaspoon daily, straight or mixed with honey or lemon. Drizzle oil over salads or blend into smoothies, but choose high-quality, cold-pressed oil. The key is consistency. Find a method you enjoy and stick with it. Make Kalonji a regular part of your routine for ongoing benefits. Experiment, have fun, and enjoy discovering this ancient spice. Natural remedies like Kalonji are powerful, but always use them wisely. This information is for education, not a substitute for medical advice. Consult your doctor before adding Kalonji, especially if you have health conditions or take medication. Start with small amounts and watch how your body responds. High doses may cause digestive upset. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Pregnant, breastfeeding, or have kidney issues. Avoid concentrated Kalonji supplements. Culinary use is generally safe, but supplements require caution. Your health journey should be safe, informed, and guided by professionals. From ancient pharaohs to modern science, Kalonji's story is one of empowerment and natural health. It's a reminder that nature's pharmacy is full of simple, effective tools for wellness. Let this be your starting point. Explore, learn, and make small, intentional changes. Your body is capable of balance and healing. Give it the support it needs. Whether you sprinkle Kalonji on your food or simply become more mindful, every step counts. Wellness is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress. Stay curious, ask questions, and partner with your healthcare provider. The choices you make today shape your future health. Embrace nature's wisdom and begin your journey to vibrant well-being now.